You should use lube instead of rimming your glass hole.
I'm not cleaning that up.
This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food 5. The show that reviews popular dishes in fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the costs. Imagine chocolate syrup and milk with ice blended together with strawberry syrup and whipped cream dusted with chocolate. Well, to be honest, it looks nothing like the picture, but that is absolutely yummy. The $13, I mean, it is kind of worth it. While you're here, if you can subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell, I'd greatly appreciate it. Oh yeah, and buy the merch too. Cause why not? Start by filling a blender with ice. Pour in 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. A good glug of full cream milk. Give it a wazzy woo. Sticking with the picture, I'm using the same glass and rimming the glass surface with some strawberry syrup. Chuck in your chocolate mixture. Squirt on your whipped cream. Dust it with drinking chocolate. Chuck in a straw and slurp away. Make this and you won't regret it. Not bad for a tad under $3. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.